maybe you're one of those people that are constantly having troubles with microphones. I was one of them, and I've gone through a few microphones in my lifetime. There's different microphones for different scenarios. For example, you have a shotgun microphone in case you want to go out and about and vlog. You also have a standalone microphone, like in-person vlogging, like when you do one of those like podcast vlogs. Like my personal one that I own is the Yeti microphone. Very good microphone. Lavalier microphones, I've gone through a bunch. Now, I've had the wired ones. I bought some fairly priced wireless ones that actually have like this hissing sound when you go and play back the video. And I've bought some cheap ones that absolutely suck as well. Now you can go ahead and buy the really, really expensive ones, but really, who has 400 bucks to pay for that kind of microphone? I certainly don't. So that's why I decided to make this video, because I tried my luck out with another cheap microphone. This one is very inexpensive. This is how much it cost me on Amazon. And I was not expecting a good product based on the price, because you're used to in life that when something's cheap, there's a reason behind that. Well, this microphone is actually really good. And the way you can tell that is, I am actually recording this entire vlog using this microphone. So the voice you're hearing, the beautiful, crisp, sexy sound that you're hearing right now on your speakers, it's coming from this microphone. Well, it's coming from me, but it's being recorded with this microphone wirelessly. Is that the word? I hope so. But it's a wireless lavalier mic that you can wear around your neck or your shirt or whatever the hell you want. But it's so amazing because you don't have to run any wires. You don't have to, worry about plugging it in or maybe accidentally walking away with it still being plugged into the camera and knocking your whole setup over. This thing's amazing. I love it. And the battery life is pretty good on it. I'm still testing it out, so I can't really tell you how long it lasts, but I believe it'll last over 3 hours on a single charge. Did I mention it's rechargeable? Oh yeah. Pairing it, super simple. You just literally press one button on the receiver, another button on the microphone, and they pair with each other. Easy, okay? Next best thing. So you have that, I believe it's 3.5 millimeter or whatever the hell it's called, for like your standard camera. You can also plug it into an iPhone because it comes with the iPhone adapter. You heard that right. You also can do it with just a regular standard USB-C because it also comes with that. Okay, it comes with the little wind cover thingamajig. Some people call it a dead cat or whatever the hell it's called. I don't know, not an expert at this, guys. I'm just giving you honest reviews, so hopefully you can bear with me while I try to do this. But anyways, look at this thing. It is beautiful. Comes with this cool ass case, by the way. What? Dude, for the price I paid, this is amazing. Like, I was not expecting this quality. Again, you're listening to me talking, and it sounds pretty good, right? Because you guys know, and by the way, another little FYI, this is being recorded on a freaking GoPro Hero 8. Yes, very old camera, and as you guys know, GoPros do not have the best microphones. They're supposed to be taken out and about and just, I don't know, go snowboarding, go skiing, whatever the hell you do for fun. But it's not meant to be a vlogging camera as far as good sound goes, right? Not going to have the best mics on the planet, but regardless. Anyways, getting carried away here. Now, I'm going to test the range. So I know you're not watching me physically do this, but just take my word for it. I mean, what the hell do I have to gain by lying to you? We're going to see how far it goes. So right now I'm in my living room recording this entire vlog. I know, ghetto. But I'm going to walk towards my bathroom, which is, I don't know, 20 feet away or something. I don't know how to measure stuff, but let's just keep up with me, please. So I'm walking, and listen, as I'm recording this, I don't know how far it will go. So I'm not even facing it right now. I'm facing away from the camera. I'm walking towards my bathroom. I have no idea if this will have any sort of interference or if you are even listening to me right now. I could just be a crazy guy talking on a microphone for old people can see. Someone's watching me through the outside, which would be creepy, but whatever. Now I'm walking to my basement, believe it or not. Yep, I'm walking to my basement. I hope it's recording my voice, or at least you can hear me, because otherwise this would be very scary if someone happened to look through my window and see a crazy-ass guy just talking to himself. This guy's gone crazy, they'll say. So now I'm walking back, and I'll find out if it did work or not, because I can't tell. Okay, now I'm walking back to the camera, or towards the camera, which obviously you can't see because I don't want you to see my face. What's the point? You don't need another face on YouTube. You just need a voice. Now let me go check real quick if it actually recorded me while I walked around my entire house. So it turns out it doesn't have that amazing range, but you know what? For the price, it has pretty good range because it was still working while I walked towards my bathroom. I mean, that was amazing, right? Listen, this is a super short freaking vlog. That's just a reminder, guys. Yeah, we'll put the link for this product down below. If you want to buy it through there, great. I get a little bit of a commission. I expect this video to get like 4 views, so maybe I'll get like a, I don't know, a 4-cent, 5-cent commission. A woohoo! But anyways, vlog is over, guys. That's it. My reviews are super quick, straight to the point. I don't BS around. Please like the video if you like this. If you didn't, I am so sorry to disappoint. All right, I'll see you on the next one.